I'm presently with Engineer Bolu. Yeah, you can be with the remote. I'm presently with Engineer Bolu. We've just done some technology backing for this real estate company right in the Ikeja GRA. And Engineer Bolu has agreed to testify to the good work of Enoma-plus technology. So friends, let's hear Engineer Bolu.
Good day, Bolu. And this is a very good job by Enoma-plus technology. Especially this remote gate of the thing is very, very lovely. And yeah, Enoma-plus technology is the best for the job. So you can see
I think you'll talk about your buy car. I don't know.
I mean, this is something you should be very, very proud of. And of course, it was opened by a car. Wow, this is absolutely, I mean, very, very brilliant of Enoma-plus technology. Please, always patronize Enoma-plus technology. The right man for the job, always. Thank you.